Hi guys, welcome back. Oneplus will unveil its brand new phone in matter of weeks, and we already think we know everything there is to know about these devices. The Chinese handset maker will launch 3 new phones in part of OnePlus 7 series, including a regular model and a more expensive OnePlus 7 Pro and a Pro 5G variant. Well, we have a pretty good idea what these smartphones will have to offer and how expensive the Pro model will be. And we also seen the plenty of render that show the elegant design of OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro. While these render may be accurate, are they still not official image of the handset? But a new leaks from China show what appeared to the first public sighting of OnePlus 7 Pro. So, a Pan Daily source spotted OnePlus CEO PT Lin on the table with OnePlus 7 handset with triple camera on the back. The OnePlus 7 Pro is expected to be the vendor with first smartphone with triple camera on the back, which means its phone is that image can only be a OnePlus 7 Pro prototype. Well, another leak image showing the OnePlus 7 series smartphone. In this image, there is a music video showing the OnePlus 7 series smartphone with there is a front and back as well. On the front there is a no notch at all, but you can see on the back there is a OnePlus logo, and yes, there is a dual camera setup. This may be also confused because the OnePlus 7 Pro model will be a triple camera setup on the back, so it might be not just clear at all. As for the front side of the phone, several leaks told us to expect a notchless display on OnePlus 7 Pro model. That because the selfie camera will be pop-up variant. The regular OnePlus 7 meanwhile is expected to feature the same as design of OnePlus 7 6T, that an all screen with water drop notch on the top. So the OnePlus 7 series will be unveiled on May 14. So overall, we're all very excited about OnePlus 7 series smartphone. So that's all guys. If you like this video, press the like button. Let me know your thought on the comment section. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.